Do you have a favorite thrift store find?
I might as well be like an Indiana Jones at a Goodwill because the things I'm able to find are chef's kiss.
That is so hard because I've had so many.
My favorite thrifted score in the whole house was from Facebook Marketplace, and it is the reddish orange chinoiserie secretary desk. I saw it on Facebook Marketplace and I was like, oh. And I hired a guy for like $75 to drive the thing up here. So he went to Savannah, Georgia, and then he came here with my secretary desk in the back of his car.
There are so many that I really love, but one of them is behind me. When I saw this ostrich at my friend's vintage store, and I went out and I looked at it and Melanie was laughing. She was the owner and she said her price. I'm like, sold. Best part is watching my husband like come to like pick up the ostrich. I'm like, honey, bought an ostrich that I'm gonna need you to help me pick up.
We were on the hunt for new dining chairs and we scored these beautiful metal, but they look like a little bent wood cafe chair. And I got a set of 4 for $12. 12, just 12. I spend more on coffee in the morning. Like, it was such a score. I was like, this is meant to be.
Favorite thrift store find would have to be anything holiday related.
That's true. My favorite is this Halloween blow mold that I was looking for forever. You know, they used to be thought of as tacky, but now everyone wants them, so.
Yes, and we got that blow mold for like $3, and now you can resell it for about $50.
I'll never do that.
No, it's a perfect find.
There is a piece of art in the corner over here that I will show you. It was $25. I couldn't believe it. And so I bought it, and it was hard to read the signature, but there was writing on the back, and I spent some time researching it when I got it home, and I discovered that it was by Paul Blaine Henry, and his pieces go for thousands online. I saw some going for up to $200,000, and I love it, which is the most important thing. So I think that was my best find.
We found this cool, it's like mosaic glass lamp, and it has a fan attached to it.
It's like a fan lamp.
Yeah.
It's a lamp and a fan.
Not supposed to be either, I think. I think it's just supposed to sit there, but we like it a lot, and I put a lot of work into that dumb little thing, fixing it, making sure it doesn't fall apart, because it does all the time.
Okay, our best vintage finds in this house are the vintage Moroccan rugs. I just love the high pile of the rugs and the cool color. And they're really like art pieces on your floor. And I'm all about making sure every single surface in the house has something fun and interesting. And these rugs really bring life to the floors.
I really like having something that's unique and different versus something new and soulless. Just feel like there's so much soul that comes with vintage pieces.